Have you ever found yourself gazing at the wonders of ancient Egypt and pondering the mysteries that lie beneath its timeless landscapes? Join us as we embark on a quest to unearth the enigmatic secrets concealed within the land of pharaohs. A strange cult. The excavation of this historical site, dating back to the Ptolemaic era in the 3rd century BC, has been a remarkable collaborative effort between the Polish Center for Mediterranean Archaeology and the University of Delaware. This site, spanning from the Horn of Africa to Arabia and India, served as the primary gateway to the Red Sea during the Roman and Byzantine periods, playing a pivotal role in ancient trade and connectivity. Among the phases of excavation, the late Roman period, 4th to 6th centuries CE, stands out for its profound revelations. During this epoch, it became evident that the city had a complex history influenced by the Blemmyes, a nomadic Nubian group whose influence extended into the eastern desert of Egypt. The northern complex of the site yielded intriguing findings, including inscriptions related to certain Blemmyes kings and the Falcon Shrine. These discoveries provided compelling evidence of a deep connection between the city and the Blemmyes, shedding light on the cultural and historical interactions of this ancient civilization. The excavation efforts have not only unearthed the physical remnants of a bygone era, but also unveiled a rich tapestry of historical narratives, enhancing our understanding of the complex dynamics that shaped this ancient harbor city during its heyday. Adapting a traditional Egyptian temple. The exploration of this historical site, dating back to the period following the 4th century, has unveiled a captivating transformation undertaken by the Blemmyes, a nomadic Nubian group on a conventional Egyptian temple. Joan Oller, a dedicated researcher from the University of Alabama at Birmingham, UAB, has emphasized the remarkable nature of the discoveries made during this expedition. The findings encompassed a diverse array of artifacts, including harpoons, statuettes characterized by cube-like forms, and a significant stele associated with religious practices. However, the most extraordinary revelation within the shrine was the consecration of up to 15 falcons, with the majority of them notably lacking heads. This discovery marked an unparalleled instance of consecrated items ever found, shedding light on the unique religious practices of the Blemmyes. While the Nile Valley had previously witnessed the burial of falcons for religious purposes and the veneration of these magnificent birds, the discovery of falcons interred within a temple alongside eggs represents a wholly unprecedented revelation for researchers. These findings offer invaluable insights into the intricate belief system and rituals of the Blemmyes, deepening our understanding of this ancient civilization and its interactions with Egyptian culture. An unusual stele. While mummified, headless falcons have occasionally surfaced at various archaeological sites. The discovery of these falcons in groups, as seen at Berenike, stands out as a rare and intriguing phenomenon. Of particular note is an enigmatic stele uncovered at the site, bearing an unconventional inscription. It is inappropriate to boil a head in here. Unlike typical inscriptions that convey dedications or expressions of gratitude, this message serves as a stern warning against the sacrilegious act of boiling the heads of animals within the temple. This fascinating discovery points to the presence of profound ritual activities that fused Egyptian traditions with contributions from the Blemmyes, shedding light on a syncretic religious landscape. Joan Oller, a dedicated researcher involved in the study, has proposed that these rituals may have originated from a religious framework related to Khonsu, the Egyptian moon god. This suggests a complex interplay between indigenous and foreign beliefs. These findings significantly enrich our comprehension of the Blemmyes, a semi-nomadic group inhabiting the eastern desert during the decline of the Roman Empire. They underscore the dynamic nature of cultural exchange and religious syncretism in antiquity, offering a unique glimpse into the spiritual practices and worldview of this enigmatic civilization. Before we unveil the secrets of the ancients, a quick word of advice. If you're not already subscribed, you're missing out on more mysteries than a locked treasure chest. So hit that subscribe button faster than a mummy chasing an archaeologist. And now, back to unraveling the enigmas of ancient Egypt. Hidden rooms. In 1993, a remarkable discovery unfolded within the enigmatic confines of the Great Pyramid of Giza when the Upwat two-tracked robot ventured deep into its heart. It was during this expedition that the robot stumbled upon a small door concealed within the southern shaft, a door that had remained unseen for millennia. Intriguingly, behind this door lay an enigmatic void shrouded in mystery, and another door further deepening the enigma. Fast forward to 2010, when a redesigned robot, fittingly named Jedi, embarked on an expedition of its own, equipped with the latest tech Sphinx's form, continue to captivate researchers, prompting a thorough re-examination of Egypt's ancient history and challenging our understanding of the enigmatic past of this ancient civilization. The thermal mystery of the Great Pyramid. In 2016, the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the world's most iconic ancient structures, became the center of an enigmatic mystery. An infrared thermographic survey conducted on the pyramid unveiled the presence of concealed voids, both in its lower regions and near its summit, capturing the imagination of archaeologists and Egyptologists alike. These mysterious voids, detected in the lower depressions of the pyramid, have ignited speculation about their nature and origin. Some postulate that they might signify the presence of undiscovered chambers or subterranean passages, offering the potential for hidden treasures or undiscovered facets of ancient Egyptian architecture. However, despite the tantalizing implications of this revelation, the Egyptian Ministry of Antiquities has maintained a discreet silence on the matter, refraining from providing official comments or clarifications. The enigmatic voids beneath the Great Pyramid persist as a subject of fascination and intrigue, leaving the door wide open for further research and investigation. This discovery serves as a poignant reminder that even in our age of advanced technology and exploration, the ancient wonders of Egypt still possess secrets waiting to be unraveled, perpetuating the allure and mystique of this extraordinary civilization. The technology of building pyramids, the construction techniques behind the ancient Egyptian pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid of Giza, remain a subject of intense debate and intrigue within the scientific community. One theory proposed by chemist Joseph Davidovits suggests that the massive stone blocks used to build the pyramids were not carved and transported as solid pieces, but instead were cast or molded on site using a form of concrete. This hypothesis aims to explain the immense weight of the stones and the lack of visible gaps between them, as well as the precision of the pyramid's alignment. However, this idea is met with skepticism by geologists and paleontologists who argue that the blocks are indeed composed of natural, processed sedimentary rocks. The counterargument from geologists and paleontologists is that the stone blocks used in the pyramids exhibit clear signs of being quarried from natural rock formations and show geological characteristics consistent with sedimentary rocks. This perspective challenges the concrete casting theory put forth by Davidovits. As of now, no consensus has been reached regarding the true nature of the construction techniques employed in building the pyramids. The enigma of how the ancient Egyptians achieved these monumental architectural feats continues to captivate researchers and enthusiasts, making the construction of the pyramids one of the enduring mysteries of human history. Further archaeological and scientific investigations may eventually shed more light on this ancient engineering marvel, the curse of the tomb of Tutankhamun. In 1922, the legendary archaeologist Howard Carter and his expedition embarked on a momentous journey into the tomb of Tutankhamun, unearthing one of the most remarkable archaeological finds in history. Amidst their discoveries, a plaque emerged bearing a foreboding inscription detailing the grave consequences that would befall anyone who dared to disturb the sanctity of the sealed tomb. Carter himself, a seasoned explorer, did not hold credence in such a curse, brushing it off as mere superstition. However, as time passed, a chilling pattern emerged. By the year 1930, a total of 22 deaths had been reported among individuals who had been present at the tomb's opening, as well as their family members. The string of fatalities ignited widespread speculation and fear, giving rise to the enduring legend of the curse of the pharaoh. While modern science attributes these deaths to natural causes and dismisses the curse as mere coincidence, the legend endures as a tantalizing facet of the Tutankhamun saga. The tale serves as a poignant reminder of the allure and mystique that surround ancient Egypt and its enigmatic relics. The hidden temple shoes. The discovery of 7 pairs of shoes hidden within a jar in a Luxor temple in Egypt, as reported by archaeologist Angelo Sassana in 2004, remains an intriguing enigma that has puzzled researchers. This 2,000-year-old find, published in the journal Memnonia, raises numerous questions about its significance and the story behind it. The context of the discovery is notable. The jar was deliberately placed between 2 mud brick walls, suggesting a deliberate act of concealment. One theory posits that unknown man E could be Prince Pentawere, who was executed for conspiring to murder his father, Pharaoh Ramses III. If accurate, this theory could shed light on the